Okay, we are going to go over fractions today. First thing we're going to go over is addition of fractions. We'll go with simple fractions first, change my mind. Okay, so addition of fractions. Okay, so let's do a simple problem. 2 1/4 plus 3 1/8. Okay, that's the first problem here. What you do with fractions, you have to have common denominators in order to do addition. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. However, this is just like the fraction 2 over 1 plus 3 over 1 equals 5 over 1. It's the same thing. It's a common denominator. The common denominator is 1 in this case. Alright, so going down here to the next part of this problem, we need to find a common denominator. The most simple way of doing it is going ahead and either you can do multiplication of both of these to do the common denominator, or you can see what's common here. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. So we do 2/4 here, with 8 on the bottom, and multiply the top and bottom by that number, 2. Okay, so that's plus 3 over 8, since that's the same thing there. The next line here, what we got here is 2 times 2 is 4 over 8 plus 3/8, common denominator, is equal to 7/8. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to erase this simple thing and go over a little bit more difficult problem here. Okay, so let's see, 5/13 plus 3/4. Okay, for this one here, what we have to do is to find a common denominator. In this case, 13 is a prime number, so 4 can't go into 13. So you're going to do 13 times 4. So we rewrite the problem. 4 over 4 plus 3/4. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. Over 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, that's 52. Plus, this is our 52. This is 39. Okay, that's 59 over 52. Okay, which equals, I'll have to write it again here, 1 over 52 plus 7. So that's your final answer right there. Okay, for reviewing here, the biggest thing here is making sure you get a common denominator. You can do the brute force method, saying you have, in this case 8 and 4. If you just for some reason forget that you can multiply 2 on 4 and have 8 on both, just say 8 times 4 here and 4 times 8. That's what I'm showing right down here. That's just a brute force. Don't care about having to reduce a lot more later. So 8 over 8, 4 over 4. Multiplication, 16 and 12. That comes to 28 over 32. And if you reduce that, you still get 7 times 4 over 8 times 4. Okay, which is still 7/8. It's more work, you have to do reduction here. Same thing, same problem, same answer.